Okay, so first of all, we're going to download Windows 11 from the Microsoft website. The easiest way to do this is to go to Google, type in Windows 11 download. It should be the top hit. There we are, download Windows 11. And we're going to select an ISO version, select Windows 11, select download. It will then ask you which language. We're going to go for English and click confirm. And we want the 64-bit version download. We're going to let this download. I'm going to stop the video while this downloads. Okay, so now Windows 11 ISO has been downloaded. I have moved mine to a different location and named that folder Windows 11 and installed that ISO in there. We're now going to use a free program called WinRAR. An alternative program is 7-zip to extract this ISO. So I've already installed WinRAR. I'm going to right click on the ISO and click Open with WinRAR. Okay, so once WinRAR has been opened and you can see your Windows 11 setup files, we're going to highlight them all. We're going to click Extract to. I'm going to go to the Windows 11 folder I created earlier. We're going to create a new folder and we're going to call it Windows 11, all one word. I'm going to select OK, and that's going to extract. And I'm going to pause the video while this does this. So the next step is to create our Windows 11 install script. This will enable us to install Windows 11 unattended without doing anything. As you can see here, I've already created mine. I'm going to use a program called Notepad++, which is free to download to create my script file. So I'm going to right click on the script and click Edit Note with Notepad++. Okay, so now we've opened the script, I'm going to talk through the code. The first step is the location of the setup file. So mine is in the D drive, Windows 11 folder, Windows 11 setup.exe. I've got the speech marks at the end and the front because there is a space here between Windows 11. If you didn't have a space in any of your text, then you wouldn't need the speech marks. Auto upgrade means it will install Windows 11 as an upgrade, not as a clean install. A clean install means it will install Windows 11 and delete all of your files and apps, but an upgrade will upgrade the operating system but also keep your apps and files. Compat ignore warning means it will ignore any compatibility warnings that Windows 11 may occur when trying to install Windows 11.
EULA accept means it will automatically accept Microsoft's end user license agreement. Dynamic update disable means when it's installing it will not look for any driver updates or Windows updates.
Now we've created our script, we're going to save it as a batch file, which is .bat at the end of the file extension, wherever you want to save it. For example, I'm going to save mine in my Windows 11 scripts folder. Okay, now we have the batch file saved in the Windows 11 folder. We're going to right click on the batch file. We're going to click Run as Administrator. We're going to click Yes. And we're going to wait for the Windows 11 install.
Here you can see we have Windows 11 installed and is fully operational. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please comment and subscribe and like.